Hello everyone, just a quick video. It's just seen some weather reports that the weather's about to take a turn for the worse and might be getting freezing temperatures, so I'm just going to do a quick once over in the caravan to make sure it's all ready for if there's a cold snap or a frost and don't damage the pipes. There's a lot of things you've probably seen, to be honest, you've probably seen lots of videos with lots of things to do to winterise your caravan. What we tend to do is get rid of all the soft furnishings and stuff, but I'm not sure when the next time we're gonna use it, so we'll probably empty it out for winter or clear out a lot of the stuff later on in the year. You never know, we might get away one or two more times. There's no battery down there, that's why I have to look. It's on charge at the moment. But what I do is if there's going to be a cold frost, I just make sure that there's no water still left in the pipes. So I'll go around and I make sure all the taps are open and in the middle and just give it a little bit of play. And if there's any last little bits of residue, it also sort of releases the pressure in there. So if any water is in there and it freezes, it doesn't expand and break the pipes. So at the moment it's closed, so what I'll do is I actually heard a bit of a gurgle there. So I'll just leave that there and I'll go and do the one in the bathroom. Stepping over the hole so I don't fall into the battery compartment. And we left the toilet roll on and it's unwound itself onto the floor. So this one will do the same. There's obviously something still in there because it's gurgling. It hasn't been used for a couple of weeks. But if I just leave it open roughly in the middle, that'll hopefully stop it from freezing and cracking anything. The same with the shower. Leave it open in the middle. It's just a little precaution to stop those pipes getting frozen. You hear so many horror stories of some water left in your pipes and them cracking. You can't get things where you a device that you attach to it and blow it through and it gets rid of every little bit of residue. I think that they are designed to have a little bit of water left in them and not do any damage. So as long as they're left open, I think it'll be good enough for the time being. So that's that done. So I can go back home. Other caravan related news. We haven't been away for a few weeks. And it's getting towards autumn, winter, cold time. So I'm not sure when the next time is we're going away. We probably should go away somewhere. We've just been so busy with everything this year. It's been one of those years. Lots of personal stuff going on, lots of work stuff going on. Lots of other things getting in the way in the caravan. We've been away a few times, but not as much as we probably would like to. If anybody's been a long-term viewer of the channel, you probably remember that we had problems with the clutch on the car ages ago, where sometimes it was almost stuck in, and they checked it all out and couldn't find the wrong. It hasn't done it for the last year or two. And we went away at the weekend. I was driving the car and the clutch got stuck at the bottom again, twice on the way there. And all I had to do was put my foot underneath it and lift the clutch pedal back up again, and it was fine. So I'm not sure if it's just a weird pedal or there's something else going on here. I heard there's something to do with Seat's clutch system where it sort of works out something. I don't know. I saw it online, never believe anything online, but sometimes it does go down a bit. I don't know. So I don't know what that is. And also it was really torrential rain at the weekend when we were driving. The front sensor triggered an error, which it usually does in the rain because it says obscured visibility. But then the park pilot light went again, and I don't even remember when we had all sorts of towing issues that the electrics were causing. When the park pilot error happens, we lose all electrics to the caravan when we're towing, and that's the first time it's done that in about a year and a half. So I like to do the usual, take all the fuses out of the little switch box in the where all the fuses are in the car. Take all the fuses out, put them all back in, resets it all, and it's all fine until it mysteriously does at some point in the future. It never, yeah, it's very, very strange. So I hope you enjoyed that little update. Hopefully it won't get too cold and too frosty, and we can get away again before the end of the year or before proper caravanning season starts in spring. We shall keep it to date, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and check out these videos here.